Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. If you are new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you do not miss any of our trading tips and platform guides. Now in this video, we're just going to cover how to trade in MetaTrader 5, okay, or MT5 for short. Now this is a powerful trading platform that is widely used by Forex traders worldwide. Whether you are just getting started or transitioning from MT4, this guide will take you through the essentials to help you get comfortable trading in MT5. So let us just jump right into it. Before we dive into the actual trading steps, let's briefly talk about what MT5 is and why it's such a great platform for Forex traders. Now, MetaTrader 5 is the upgraded version of the famous MetaTrader 4. It's equipped with more time frames, more order types, right? More time frames, more order types, and additional features that makes trading more efficient. Now with MT5, you can trade not just Forex but also stocks, commodities, and futures. Okay, plus it offers better charting capabilities, integrated news feeds, and an economic calendar all within the platform. So whether you are a day trader or a swing trader, MT5 provides everything you need to analyze the market and execute trades. Now let's talk about how you can start trading in MT5. The first thing you would want to do is make sure you have your MT5 platform set up correctly. If you don't have it, you can easily download it from the official MetaTrader website or your broker's site. We've already talked about that in a previous video, so you might want to check that out if you do not know how to do that already, okay? Once you have installed your MT5, you need to open the platform and log in with your credentials, log in with your trading accounts, okay? If you haven't opened an account yet, it's a simple process that involves choosing a broker, right? When you come here, you come to open an account, you select a broker that you want to use, okay? And then you create your account. Very easy. After you've logged in, you will see your trading dashboard with all your available instruments and account details. Now that you are logged in, let's take a quick tour of the MT5 interface so you can get familiar with where everything is. Now on the left, you're going to see your market watch. The market watch panel, which shows you a list of tradable instruments like currency pairs, commodities, or stocks. You can easily add or remove instruments by right-clicking in the market watch panel. Okay. Now at the top, there's a chart window. There's a chart window where you'll be able to analyze the market visually. Can you see? You're able to, whatever you right-click on and you just click on chart window, you're able to analyze that particular currency pair. Okay, you can open multiple charts. Actually, you can see I have different charts open. And if you want to view all of them at once, you can just click on this tiles, right? You can see you can have multiple charts, literally opened and viewed at once. Okay, but depending on how wide your screen is, each chart might now be looking too small. Okay, now do not forget the navigator window. We also have the navigator window on the left. It is where you find your accounts, indicators, and expert advisors if you want to automate your trading. All right. You can also access the terminal window. The terminal window down here, which shows you your active trades. This is a demo account, so for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to open a random trade. So here you're going to see, your active trades that are running right in the terminal window. It shows your active trades, your account balance, your history also is going to be showed here. Okay, your trading history. Okay, now that you're familiar with the platform, let's move on to the exciting part, which is placing a trade. I just already placed a random trade for the purpose of, explaining what you can see in the terminals. So, but first of all, before you place a trade, you ought to select the instrument, right? The currency pair that you want to analyze. You need to choose the instrument you want to trade. Let's say you want to trade USD CAD, USD CAD. Now, for example, this is the USD CAD currency pair, right? So simply double click. You can actually just double click from here, right? You can see, and just double click from the market watch panel, and you see a new chart will open. whatever instrument you want to trade, it's just going to open. Then you can just, to place a trade, you can right click on the chart, and click on new order. Okay, but ideally I would recommend that whatever currency pair that you want to place a trade on, you should open the chart window, so that you can do your analysis first. All right, do your analysis first, ensure that it's a good time to buy or a good time to sell before you go ahead to place your trade. If you want to place your trade right from the chart, you can just click on new order up here, and then you select whether it's an instant execution or a pending order. Then select the kind of order you want, set your price, your stop loss, your take profit levels, all of that. Just fill in the necessary gaps, and then you sell or you buy accordingly. Okay, always ensure that you use the appropriate lot size. Okay, this is where you set your lot size, this is where you set your stop loss and your take profit. Okay, it is very important to manage your risk. You can set stop loss and take profit levels, and the stop loss automatically closes your trade if the market moves against you by a certain amount. For example, this random trade that I open now, I'm just going to use this as a practical. Okay, so now if I want to set stop loss, you can actually drag right from the chart and set your stop loss at the particular level that you want. You can drag, set your take profit at the particular level that you want, or you can just double tap here, and then you can now fill in manually the stop loss and take profit levels, whichever option that you prefer. Okay, now once your trade is live, it's important to manage it effectively. Okay, you can just adjust your stop loss and take profit levels at any time. You can just drag, you can just drag this and you adjust it very easily. All right, now you can also close your trade manually by clicking on this X button here, and it closes immediately. All right, now MT5 is packed with useful tools for technical analysis. You can add indicators, come to insert indicators, and select whatever indicator that you want from here, or you can use your navigator. You can use your navigator here to add indicators as well. Just drag and drop. Once you drag and drop, it's going to be added to the chart right away. Okay, very, very easy. We have a lot of indicators that can help you to spot trends, overbought or oversold conditions, and potential reversal points in the market. As you get more comfortable with MT5, you can start experimenting with different indicators to see what works best for your trading style. And there you have it, your complete guide on how to trade in MT5. We've covered everything from setting up your accounts, navigating the platform, and placing trades, to using technical indicators to help you make more informed trading decisions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more trading tutorials and tips on MetaTrader 5. If you have any questions or need further clarification, leave a comment down below. I'm happy to help. In the meantime, thank you for watching and happy trading.